Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Tuliemere. Thank you all so much for your support and love. So for today, let's prepare cassava for breakfast. I don't need a lot of ingredients, so I'm just going to slice the garlic. Can slice the garlic or slice the onions. That's all I need, and salt. What I've noticed here is the cassava is a bit yellowish. Then the cassava we have is pure white. Let me hope the taste is all the same. So let's wait. You can choose to eat the cassava boiled, or you can fry in the cooking oil.
Arman really like it. Too bad my mom missed it. I was telling them to try the way you cook it. I even want to go and check posho and beans.
Finally, the cassava is ready. Actually, in the village where I come from, cassava is one of the most stable food. You don't need much ingredients or spices here. You only need salt, the garlic or onions, then cooking oil. That is it.
Auntie Christine for serving us the food.
Okay.
So finally, my breakfast is served. I'm going to have it with black tea. So let's taste and see how the cassava of Philippines tastes. The cassava really tasted nice and yummy. I really enjoyed and loved it so much. Kalbi, high five. Kalbi, give high five to your friend. Give high five to your friend, please, Kalbi. Go back, Kalbi. Go back home. Chico, for us, we go. First, give high five. High five. Good boy.
Bye.
Bye. With this current situation, let's have trust in God. Let's always pray and ask Him for His protection and mercy upon us. I know it's not easy. We are going to a basketball court to play some basketball with the little boys. Chico, give me first. Give me the ball. Thank you. Bring. Thank you. So I and the boys, we are going to the basketball to play basket. Come and pass this way. Come. You want, Chico? You want? Okay, go. Chico, go. Not kicking. Go, get the ball, go. coming. Run. Chico, run. Run. Let's go. Woo! Shoot! Shoot! So that's how we ended up our day. Thank you all so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and to hit on that bell button for more notifications. And please don't skip the ads. Thank you. May the Almighty God bless us all, and let's remain strong. God bless us all, and let's be strong.